Hello guys and hi there everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Appointomatic. So in a nutshell, Appointomatic is all-in-one app for creating event, for creating your bookings, for creating your meetings, for organizing your appointments and also the webinars. Everything can be done inside it. Inside these options, this is the most published thing or published button. I want to say, I can't remember the exact word for it, because this is the upgrade of this tool. The reseller is the upgrade of this tool, agency is also the upgrade of this tool. Next thing I want to show you, that is the analytics. Inside the analytics, I think you have already know from the name. The analytics will be appearing here once you have started using it. Next thing is meeting integrations. So inside meeting integrations, you need to integrate your calendar, and after integrating the Google Calendar is already connected inside it. You can click on new integration and you can add more integrations like the apps, like any app you want apart from Google Calendar, then you can do so. And next thing is you can your calendar or your calendar chart will be shown up here. Next thing is the bookings. Inside my bookings, you can use it for your bookings to organize your bookings. And next thing is the manage paid bookings. Inside the manage paid bookings, you can use your paid bookings. And next thing is my events. Inside my events, this is the most big feature, this is the biggest feature inside this tool. I think inside my events you can organize all of your events. And at last, the dashboard this is the dashboard. And apart from that, I want to tell you, let me show you from the my events. If I click on create new event, so I have to fill some form, usual form like title, URL, description, duration, price and everything. And you want to hide the event type, you can hide, or you don't want to hide, you don't do so. So you can click on the view section to view it and also to edit it. You can see here, this is the event timing, and these days event is needed and event is happening like every minutes, I think. Okay, so that is why these kind of apps are now grooming, these kind of apps are coming now these days. And this tool only will take you $32 or $34. There are two professional and the elite versions. There are two versions. 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee is available. And also these are the features. Some frequently asked questions are here, and final word is strongly recommended for them only who need to organize their meetings, their events or anything whatever similar kind of stuffs. So this is the starter packs features. And inside the elite packs, inside more, you want to give $2 more, you want to spend $2 more, you can spend and you will be given the elite version. And that allows you 15 done for you appointment templates, and this has 5 done for you appointment templates. So the done for you stuffs are also given, though this is the review version, but there are some features are vanished inside it. Okay, so you can think of that inside your version there will be more options. So inside the rest of the funnel, apart from the front end, apart from these two stuffs or these two product, if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the mega bonus, and you have to go through the front end to get the mega bonus. So these bonuses now you are watching on the screen. From every field I have tried to give you the bonuses, and these all bonuses will be given to you inside the front end. And after that, if you purchase any of the upsells, you will be given the upsell bonus that comes with 400 plus stuffs. Okay, so most of the stuffs are written here, and there are some vendor bonuses. These are the vendor bonuses. You can see here Convo Board, Engage Board, Video Hub, Social Directory. So these vendor bonuses are also available, you can see here, and this will be given to you from the vendor totally free once you upgrade the tool from anywhere. So this is the final call. You can click on the buttons given inside the page. You will be sent to this sales page. This is the sales page of this tool, and from the sales page get the tool within $32 or $34. I will strongly recommend you to go through the $34. and after that you will be given the bonus or bonuses automatically. So that's all I want to say. This is me, Chayan Sarkar, and have a good day. Thank you. You have given your time. That is a very big thing for me. So bye bye.